All right, ladies and germs, it's Tomazia. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We got a fun one for you today. Did a quick little bonus hunt here on Stake Casino. I've got a whopping 11 bonuses. Started with $620 balance, and we have 11 bonuses at $1 a piece with a break even of 56x. So, knock on wood, not a big jinx guy, but it should be pretty easy to sniff break even. I normally do these kind of things live on Twitch. So if you don't already know that, there's a link to the Twitch in the description. Feel free to check it out. Drop a follow there. Another easy, free way to support me and my silly, degenerate content. But that's all the intro we really need here. So there's the list on the top right. I'll update that as time goes on. We're going to go a little out of order here because I feel like some of these have a much lower potential than other ones, and we're going to get those out of the way first. So let's just hop right in. The first one I'm going to go to is Razor Shark because I had a bonus here the other night on a $1 spin that paid a whopping $0. So we can't do any worse than that. Let's see what happens. $5 left in the balance, so we played through about $615. Let's win it all back. Looking for more seaweed or any kind of line hit here. Multiplier goes up every spin. Coins would be ideal. Perfect. Good save, good save. We got coins. How about 100x? 100x coin and we're frickin' smiling. Bricks. 1 and 2. Ouch. $15 times 5. Not awful. Coins again. What do you say? Ooh, double seaweed. How about coins on this spin? Could go off the rails. Save. Times 10. I have no idea what that pays. I was gonna say probably like $20. Good save. What a save. Coins. Coins or more seaweed. Save us. Was that 28? Yep. Save us. Save us. For Razor Shark, that's fantastic. $89. That is just fine. So, let me update the list here. All right, there we go. Figured it out. So we got the 89 on there. Obviously, 89x win. Like I said, we started with a 56 break even, so that puts us ahead of the trend, ahead of what we need. So good stuff. Onward. Next up, I'm going to do. I mean, all of these have decent potential. I'm probably going to go to Tome, just because we only have 4 portal spins versus a higher number there. So Tomah Madness here. Bonus is a little different, sort of a grid slot. We're trying to get wins on each of the designated target squares in the base game. So you can see this map over here. Gives you an idea of what squares we're trying to fill up.
Insanity. Void.
2 portal features left, which basically throw wilds in there. Gotta drop 2 wins on top left, top right to get the mega bonus wild creature thingy. Not quite. $34. We kind of knew, or I kind of knew at least, that wasn't really going to do much. So back to 126 with 9 bonuses left. We are going to go to Infectious V. I've never played this before. I don't know if the potential is good. So there's no point in saving it if it could just be hot trash. All right. I don't know what either of these mean. Lock and load. I'm assuming locking wilds. 7 spins versus 9 spins. Toxic hazard. I like a little more volatility in my bonuses, so we'll go with the more volatile of the 2 options. More wilds, I'm assuming, is what we want here. Everyone that we got one there got an extra free spin. That's nice. How about another one? Alright, we needed that extra spin because this is kind of ugly. Ooh. What is that? I don't think that counts as a wild. I think that was just an expander guy, but not awful. Okay, that's pretty good. Well then, that appears to be the right pick. We'll say an even 150, just to make our lives easier number-wise. But hey, we've already got $273 back on bonuses through 3. It's pretty good. First time playing that game, not awful. We're going to jump to Big Bass Bonanza, because I have had less than stellar luck on that game lately. And for those who want to play these kind of games, I know these are different from the typical content I do on the US-based casinos. Playing on a VPN on Stake Casino, which is based out of somewhere in Europe. So it's got all the fancy, cool games that you see on maybe other Twitch streamers or YouTube content creators play. And I'll have a link to Stake in the description. Obviously, it's an affiliate link, so if you sign up through there, get a small kickback to help fund more videos like these. So feel free to check it out. Easy way to support the channel. If you're new to gambling, want to check it out, and you can gamble responsibly. I can never get this stupid thing to... Alright, we're just going to leave it. Alright, quick Olaf. There we go. 3 more would be fantastic. $25 hit, not awful. Come on, my dude. $50 fish, where you at? Ooh, that's not a good one. 3 spins left, we get 2 more. And those 3 spins, we're heading on to level 2. That's exactly what we needed. Thank you, sir. 12 bucks a guy. We're on to level 2. 10 more spins at a 2x multi. Not bad, not bad. I was gonna say, throw 1 more in there so we get a head start to level 3. No dice. That's a $40 hit, not bad. If he hits without any fish, sometimes you'll see dynamite show up, and they just throw a random fish value somewhere. So this would be a good time for that to happen. Don't go on holiday me, sir. Very poor fish values there. We need 2 more in 2 spins. Two and 1. You did it last time. Alright. Not bad. Not bad at all. 110.50. So we now have 2 of our 4 bonuses paid over 100x. Throw the list up. For those keeping score at home. Not bad. We're doing pretty good. Knock on wood. Spin after the win. Back to 386. Remember, start 620. So we will jump to Gems Bonanza. My buddy's a big fan of this game, and I honestly don't like it at all. So a good bonus here might help sway my mind if you're listening. So we had about looks like a $20 win coming into it. So you obviously have to fill the meter on the right in the base game to get the bonus. So we've done that. It's going to throw a bunch of random features out. And an attempt to fill the meter again to go to level 2. That's really good. Are we going to get to level 2? That's a great hit. Well, we got one more. Oh, no, that was it. Damn. I thought we had one more feature. I was going to say we're in, but 55, 25. Not bad by any means. Onward. I'll take a 50x there. Doghouse Mega Ways. We'll jump there. First bonus I've had on this game. We have a very good start into Honey Rush, so I might actually save that as the final bonus, because it's similar to Gems where you have to build it up in the base game to get there. We've got a good multi. We've got a ×6 multi and the final feature there waiting for us. I'm going to do Sticky Wilds. It's the more volatile of the options here. Not a lot of mega waves, but decent placement. 420 smokes up. Very good placement. 2 spins left. How about a blue dog on the front? Damn. Ooh, almost had bones all the way. Not that great. 30, we'll say $33. Back up to about 470. Onward. Let's we'll get Sweet Bonanza out of the way, top of the list there. 10 free spins. Looking for multis. There's a good multi there. Ooh, keep going. Fill it, fill it, fill it, or get a read.
Nice.
$30 spin. Not mad at that. Ooh, almost got a read. Damn. Come on, more multis. 5 and 2. Oh, come on. $41. Not a bad spin after the win. All right. Fire in the hole. We'll go there next. This is not... I haven't ever had this bonus before, so once again, seems to be the pattern for some of these, which is why I played games that I'm not familiar with, because you never know. Lucky wagon spins. Basically just want coins on the board, from what I've seen. So we're looking for gold coins, I suppose. Bump that multi up. More room for coins there. We don't want coins under the poop, because it looks like the poop is 1x. Ooh, 20. Oh shit! Well, that was a really good coin. Save it. Hey, that's... Oh, save it, save it, save it. Nice. Oh, it multiplied it by 25. That's why. That's awesome. Save it. I'm not mad with that at all. $164. Very good. We'll say 165. All right. Cool. Good bonus. And we're up to 678. Small profit plus 3 bonuses left. Let's go to Buffalo King Megaways. I love a Buffalo game. People who know me know I'm a Buffalo kid at heart. I don't care about real Buffaloes, but Buffalo themed slots are my jam. All right, 12 free spins. We're looking for multipliers / wilds and the Buffaloes. Couple multis. All right, get more hits. It's gonna multiply this tumble win by 6. About a $20 spin there, not bad. Don't dead spin me, sir. There we go. Drop a jack on the front. Damn. What a waste. Good amount of mega waste, too. 2 more coins. Come on. Well, aces. Oh, almost full way aces. Add more to it. 6. Another $20 spin. Drop some wilds in there, please. Nope. Last spin. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good amount of mega waves. Keep it alive, boys. No, I jinxed it. 56, right on the money with our break even. But we've already broken even, so more of an observation there. Cool. Well, with 2 left, throw the list back up for you guys. Kind of see where we're at. 3 of the bonuses have paid over 100x. Not bad. So far, the X win average is 67 with a couple of zeros in there. So let me take the zeros out because we haven't played those ones yet. 81. 81x average on the games that we have opened. So for the stat nerds out there, that's for you boys. Next up, Legacy of Dead. And then we're going to save Honey Rush for the end. So special symbol is the... Oh shit! We got 4 off the rip! The 3rd best premium. Coin value is 10. So that was an $88 spin. Let's go. Full screen. Oh, 4 again. Let's go. Very nice. Very, very nice. I think 2 expands. How about a read? Last spin. All right, another very good bonus. $181. We're going to collect that every day of the week. Spin after the win. All right, up to 915. Very good. With a mighty nice looking bonus coming out of Honey Rush. All right, so they're going to keep jumping around. Great placement so far. We want a good symbol in the middle. So get rid of those flowers. Get rid of those flowers. We want a diamond or a coin in the middle. Very middle of the board. Because that's what's going to expand. Shit. Flower. Fill the screen at least. Damn close. These boys would normally keep hopping around until we were done, but that was it. And $104. So I was not terribly let down by that. Spin after the win. You guys can see kind of how this works. It'll fill up side meter here every time you get a win, but not bad at all. So what's the final verdict? Started with 620. Balance is currently about 130. The stats show a little less because didn't factor in spin after the win, but ROI 164%. Pretty damn good. I got over 1,000 in the balance now, so I'm not mad about that. But that's it. So if you like this kind of content and you want to watch it live, feel free to check out the Twitch. I jump on there once in a while and do this kind of thing. Maybe lower stakes, maybe not as much start balance, but still fun regardless. Come chat, hang out. Don't if you want to lurk, that's fine. Don't be a weirdo. That's it. Another bonus hunt in the books. YouTube exclusive for you guys. So YouTube frogs, appreciate you watching. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Sign up using my link for stake. And until next time, stay safe and stay blessed. See ya.